So we spent our first night in this beautiful condo, and there was like a crazy wicked storm, and like look at all the water is coming in. This is like a luxury condo building. You just can't take for granted. Things are just not like home here, and we've used every single towel. There's, look at the balcony. It's like a pool on the balcony. There's water all the way back to here. There's water here, like halfway back in the condo. Horrible. We're trying as fast as we can, but all the towels are already used up. So anyway, we'll let you know what happens.
Just walking around on Thursday, checking out the storm and the aftermath of the storm. We still have no internet, but we do have power back at the condo. We are okay, but we can't tell you that because there's no internet. I'm not sure if I've been this happy to see a partly cloudy morning ever.